Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone battery health drops on iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution you have while facing this issue, iPhone battery health drops suddenly on any models. So first solution you have restart your iPhone. If you have updated your iPhone to iOS 17.1, right now your iPhone has restarted only once. If that's the case, your iPhone may show reduced battery health. As a result, you need to restart your iPhone again. This will make sure that the aggregate battery health percentage is displayed on the battery health screen. Then second solution you have always turn on optimized battery charging. Optimized battery charging is designed to extend the overall battery life of your iPhone. Here's how to enable it. By enabling this feature, your iPhone launch from your daily charging routine and waits to finish charging post 80% until you need to use it. This reduced battery aging. So you have open the setting, scroll up, click on battery health. So then you have optimized battery charging. I have already turned on, then you must be turned off while passing this issue. Then other solution you have check for iOS update. Sometimes the issues might be due to a bug in the current of iOS versions. Apple often releases update to fix such issues. Download and install. If there is an update available, download and install it. Staying updated with the latest iOS version can ensure that unknown battery issues resolved on iPhone. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone. It must be downloaded and installed. The last solution you have go for a factory reset. If the above fixes does not help, the last option you have to go to for factory reset the iPhone. Reset ensure that everything gets back into factory condition, i.e. when you first bought your iPhone. If you do not know how to proceed with a factory reset, follow these steps. So you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on erase all content and settings. So then from you have continue, and then you have click on anywhere do not. You have copy the another device. You have available data 20.18 GB apps and data available, so you have removed from any other drives. Then you have removed from here all delete data of your iPhone or apps, erase all contents from your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.